In this video, I will show you the initial configuration of HQ firewall, first time configuration. So this is our lab topology and we have HQ firewall. In previous video, we configure rest of the devices. So let's go to our lab, okay, and let's click on the HQ firewall. So it will ask you the username and password. So default username and password is admin and admin. And hit enter. Keep in mind you need to wait for 4 to 5 minutes to enter the username and password. Okay, they will ask you to enter the old password, which is admin. Now we need to set a new password. So I will set ABC at 12345. Okay, and now we are logging. In virtual environment, the management interface is configured as a DHCP client to get the IP. So let me clear the screen, Control L, and we can type show system info to check the IP address. So let's get this IP 192.168.100.12 through my management cloud. So this is my management cloud. I connected to management cloud. And my Wi-Fi address is they get automatically through DHCP on this management interface. However, in our lab, we say we will set the IP static IP 200. Now you have two choices. So we change the password. We can find the management IP through show system interface or show system interface management. Next, what we need to do, we can set the static IP through CLI. Or if it is difficult for you, so log in with the IP which is get through DHCP 192.168.100.12 and you can change the IP graphically. So when you log in, go to device, setup interfaces, management, and after that you can change from DHCP client to static, type the IP address, a subnet mask, gateway, and other detail, and click OK. Commit the changes, and when it's reached to 99%, so you can log in with the new IP address. Okay, so what I need to do is two choices you have. Because in the slide I show you graphically, so why not change the IP address through CLI? So this is the CLI configuration. So let me type Q and then Control L to clear the screen. So we have two choices to find out the IP, show interface, management. Okay, and here you will see the IP address is 192.168.100.12. However, this is through DHCP. I want to set them static IP. So Control L to clear the screen. Go to config, and after config, you can say set device config and type system and type. We have two types, static and DHCP client. Right now it's DHCP client. So type static and hit enter. So now I change the interface mode to static. Next, you need to type set device, okay, and device config. You can type question mark. It will show you rest of the thing. And then we need to go to system question mark. You have a lot of choices, and we need the IP address. So let me type IP address, okay, and after that I can type the IP address. So 192.168.100.200. That's what we decide. Question mark, so it's asking the net mask. So net mask 255.255.255.0 and hit enter. So now I change the IP. Next thing is go to the same set device config and then system, and after that the default gateway. So our default gateway is 192.168.100.1. okay, so we change the gateway and we change what is called the IP address. Now type commit to apply this setting, and then we can check the new IP address when we save the setting by commit. So let's wait for a while so they can apply the setting, and after that we can check our IP by show system info or by show interface management. So there will be a new IP address. So it's up to you. You can use the DHCP client IP, login and change graphically, or you can use the CLI command to change it. Okay, so it's almost 60% done, 98% done, and after that we can verify and we can log in with the new IP address. So 192.168.100.200, and it should be HTTPS, and hit enter. So it will show you, by the way, it's done. Yeah, it's 98%, so it's almost done. They say your connection is private. It's okay, just advance and continue unsafe, and type the username as admin. New password is ABC812345, and now we can log in with the new password which we changed through CLI. So it's done. And also you can verify, show let's out from here, show system info. So this is our new IP 100.200. Okay, and do not show again this one, close and remind me later. And here is our new IP, okay, which is 100.200. You can go to device, under device setup, and we have a management. Okay, this is our management, and go to interface, and here is management. So this is the IP. So it means you can do the same thing here graphically as well. So we change them to static 192.168.200 default gateway, okay, and MTU, and leave the rest of the things. So we only enable HTTPS, SSH and ping. Okay, we will discuss all these things later on, but this is the way to first time log in to Palo Alto Firewall. So let's go back through CLI, either through this way. Okay, and we change the IP. Here I show you graphically. You can do the same thing graphically to change the IP, and you can log in with the new IP address. That's it.